Hey y'all, I'm Shannah and I'm an experienced UGA ambassador. Today I'm going to be walking through one of my favorite healthy snacks to eat, and that is oatmeal with fruit. So just keep watching to see how to make it. So to prepare the snack, you're gonna need a bowl, obviously, some water, oatmeal, any flavor that you like. I like apples and cinnamon, but there's so many others that you could try, and your preference of fruit. I like to have bananas and strawberries in my oatmeal. So first of all, I'm gonna take my packet, and they have instructions on how to make this, so you just have to follow instructions. So you get the packet and you open it up. I like to shake it, open it, and I pour it on here. So the way I prepare it is that I put 2/3 cup of water. You can either do water or milk. Sometimes I put 1/3 cup of milk and 1/3 cup of water, but today I'm just gonna do the full 2/3 of water. So open your water and pour it in there. I already have some in here, so I'm just gonna pour a little more. And then you put it into the microwave for 2 minutes. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes, and this is what my oatmeal looks like coming out the microwave. So I just mix it a little bit, make sure it's good. So the oatmeal is done, and it smells delicious. So you see here, I already have my fruit prepped out. I use half a banana. I'm about to use like 3 or 2 of these strawberries. Make sure you have a parent here to help you cut it out, because to cut it, you need a knife, and I do not want any children getting hurt. So I cut my banana into thin slices like this. So just really quick. And just make sure you have a parent here cutting for you. And I cut the ends of my strawberries also into thin slices. Just like that. And I don't use the end piece. And I do it one more time. Or like 2 more times. Like that. And the last one. And this is the fun part. After you have them cut, I like to make them look pretty on my oatmeal. So I just place them anywhere I really want them. In like a cool, cute pattern maybe. You can make a face. Just make it look very make it your own. So this is how my oatmeal looks like after I layered my fruit. I just did a little pattern, Looks really cute and delicious, and now it's time to taste. Okay, so here's the taste test. I have some oatmeal with a banana and a strawberry up here, so let's try it. Y'all, it's actually really delicious. This is my first time putting strawberry, and I'm gonna keep doing it because the strawberry just brings out the sweetness that I love. But I hope y'all enjoy this healthy snack. I hope it's not difficult, and see y'all later. Bye.